Hey everyone, today I will show you how to hide online status on WhatsApp. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Update WhatsApp. Before opening WhatsApp, head to your App Store or Google Play Store. Many users don't see this feature because they haven't updated their app. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to see apps needing updates. Pull down to refresh the list. Look for WhatsApp. If it is there, update it. If not, it is already up to date. Step 2. Enable the feature in WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings, tap Privacy, and then Last Seen and Online. You'll see two sections. Who can see my last seen? This lets you control who can see your last active status. Who can see when I am online? This is the new feature. Step 3. Set online status. By default, the online status is visible to everyone. You can change it to same as last seen, meaning it will mirror your last seen preferences. For instance, if last seen is set to nobody, your online status will also be hidden from everyone. Once enabled, no one can see when you are online. However, note that this works both ways. If you hide your status, you won't be able to see when others are online either. And that is everything you need to know about how to hide online status on WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.